So hello guys, today we are going to see the project demonstration of motorized hammer. So this is an mechanical project. Actually, the aim of the project is to design a hammer which is operable using motor. So let us see the diagram, how you plan to implement this project. So this is the 2D diagram. So this is a 2D diagram. In this diagram, we named the part. The number 1 is half HP induction motor, and number 2 the cam mechanism, and number 3 the hinges, and 4 is the hammer, and number 5 is the workpiece, number 6 is the base, and supportive stands are fixed in the motorized hammer. So the basic concept is this motor will be connected to the circular plate, so that using the crank and slot mechanism we are going to push this hammer upward and downward. So this is the main aim of this project. Let us see the demonstration.
The diagram mechanical AC hammer, AC motor 330 volt 2.5 amp 0.2 HP. This is the motor. Motor connected to the pulley 1:10. This is the cam and camshaft. Okay. This is the concept of eccentric camera mechanism.
Okay guys, I hope you saw the demo. This is the report of the project. We will give the complete report along with this project. The report contains 64 pages. So in the 64 pages, the contents include starting from abstract introduction, component description, manufacturing process, project planning, working principle, 2D diagram, advantages and disadvantages, applications, list of materials, cost estimation, and conclusion. These included in the report. So these are all the things included in the report. So guys, if you require this type of projects, or if you need help for doing your mechanical projects or any other projects, you can contact us. Our live support centers is available in Chennai T Nagar and Vadapanni. So if you require any support regarding your final year project, you can contact us in the number given below. Thanks for watching the video. Keep subscribe and get updates regularly. Thank you.